SharePoint Online is a Microsoft web-based application used by corporations and governments to create websites or intranets, which can then be used to share, store, and organize content and information. And because it's web-based, as you can see up here on the URL, this means that all your work can be done on any device, such as an iPad, an Android, a smartphone, PC, laptop, as long as they have access to the internet. So document management is one of the major components that is used by many corporations and governments. So if I just go and open up a site that I have access to and move to the document area, you can see that there are a couple of files here that my team can share. Now, if other people have access, if we give other people access to, essentially it's a library, it looks like a folder, but it's a library or loose document, we can control it as an administrator. But these files can be created here in the library, and you can see we've also got Visio and we've got links to give people instant access. We can upload files or folders or templates and save documents to here. So libraries can be accessible by everybody, or they can have permissions set on them to control who has access to them. Lists are another powerful feature of SharePoint, and they can be used to track issues, but essentially they give your team and or anybody else that you want to give access to information that they would find useful. So here is a supplier list that I've created, and in fact I created it in Excel and uploaded it here, but you can create a new list from scratch, or from an existing list you can edit that, or from a text file. Very powerful lists, and we get into that, and if we just have a quick look, you can do all sorts of things, and you can say, look, let's set up a rule to make, notify whoever, email, and you can email many people, not just one, if any of these things change. So, and you can also use integrate the Power platform, which again we're going to create separate videos on these, but it's really powerful. But this integration and automation is not only used just with lists. So if I go back, you can also create news items, and you can upload images and Visio drawings and videos. And the videos can, you could embed it on a homepage, so someone's got instant access to a video that you think might be useful. So we're going to be covering some of these features in more detail in separate videos, which I hope you'll be keen to watch. But thanks for watching this video.